Hey there, I'm Cece. Buckle up for a day in my life. Today I'm whipping up a scrumptious egg for breakfast. Let's get cracking with some Mext magic. First, I've got to hit the store. Who's ready for a shopping adventure? Let's roll. I'm at the store right now, so let's slice and dice together. Time to crack open the wallet and let the grocery shopping adventures begin. Let's hightail it back home. Time to give those groceries a cool home in the fridge. Let's stow them away. Now let's crack some eggs and whip up a breakfast masterpiece. Breakfast is served, so grab a fork and let's feast together. Big thanks for lending a hand in the kitchen. If you enjoyed the cooking video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tasty adventures.